What is probable cause in surveillance law? Imagine your phone ringing, and suddenly someone is watching your every move online. It might sound like science fiction, but in real life, law enforcement has rules they must follow before they can look into your private life. Today, we're going to talk about what it means for the police or government to have probable cause when they want to conduct surveillance on you. Probable cause is a legal standard that requires authorities to have a good reason to believe someone is involved in a crime before they can take certain actions. These actions include searching property, seizing evidence, or even listening in on your phone calls. It's not enough for them to just suspect you. They need enough facts or trustworthy information to support their belief. In surveillance law, this means the police must have enough evidence to justify monitoring your communications or tracking your movements. They can't just do it based on a hunch or a guess. For example, they might have witness statements, physical evidence, or prior investigation details that point to criminal activity. This standard helps prevent government overreach and protects your privacy rights. The idea of probable cause comes from the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution. This amendment says that searches and seizures must be reasonable and supported by a warrant issued by a judge. To get that warrant, law enforcement must show there is probable cause. The judge then reviews the evidence and decides if surveillance is justified. It's important to understand that probable cause isn't just about suspicion. It's about having enough facts that a reasonable person would believe a crime is happening or has happened. This could include things like suspicious financial transactions, known associates involved in illegal activity, or previous investigations that point to criminal behavior. When it comes to electronic surveillance, law enforcement needs probable cause to get a warrant before they can tap your phone, access your emails, or monitor your online activity. Without this proof, any surveillance would violate your rights and could be challenged in court. Knowing your rights means understanding that authorities cannot legally spy on you without meeting this standard. If you think they have done so without proper cause, you might have grounds to challenge that surveillance legally. In simple terms, probable cause acts as a safeguard. It makes sure that surveillance is based on real evidence, not just a random suspicion. This protects your privacy and personal freedoms from unwarranted government intrusion. So next time you hear about surveillance, remember that law enforcement must have a solid, fact-based reason to justify their actions.